Today's focus in our exploration of contract law is consideration, a term that might initially sound abstract but is truly fundamental. Consideration, in legal parlance, isn't about thoughtfulness. It's about exchange, the something given or promised in return for something else. It signifies the idea of reciprocity within a contract. For instance, if you purchase a book from a store, your money is the consideration for the book, and the book is the store's consideration for your money. This is a clear reciprocal exchange, demonstrating the give-and-take nature of contracts. However, not all consideration involves tangible goods or clear-cut services. It can also be an action, a promise, or even the decision to refrain from doing something. Thus, consideration showcases its flexible nature, adjusting according to the requirements of the contract. In English law, consideration operates under key principles. Firstly, consideration must be sufficient, but not necessarily adequate. This means the consideration must have some legal value, but it doesn't have to represent equal value to what is being received. Secondly, past consideration, or something done before the promise is made, is typically not valid. This principle underscores the importance of the reciprocal nature of consideration, the something-for-something notion that is so fundamental to contracts. Finally, the concept of privity of contract asserts that only a person who has provided consideration can enforce a contract. This ensures that only parties involved in the agreement can bring about legal action concerning it. It's essential to understand these principles and how they contribute to the broader picture of contract law. That said, consideration isn't without its criticisms and limitations. Some argue it's outdated, others say it's too complex, while some question its relevance in modern contract law. We'll address these debates in future discussions. By unpacking consideration, we gain insight into the underpinning dynamics of contractual agreements, which in turn aids us in understanding the intricacies of contract law. In our next session, we'll continue to explore these foundational concepts further. See you in the next video.